To use the microscope, turn on the power button. Below that is the illumination dial, which shines the light through the microscope lenses onto the platen. Below the illumination dial is the coarse focus dial for large movements of the platen in the Z direction. On the outer part is a smaller dial for fine focus of the platen in the Z direction. Below the platen are two control dials. The upper one moves the platen in the Y direction and the lower one in the X direction. The lens magnification can be changed by turning the turret, and to view the lens, it should be faced directly in line with the platen. The color band around each lens indicates a different magnification. The blue color indicates times 50 magnification. Turning the turret, the yellow is times 10 magnification. And the red is times 5 magnification. Always start with the lowest magnification and then increase to get a closer view. At the top of the microscope are the ocular lenses or eyepieces, allowing observation through to the magnification lenses over the specimen. The eyepieces are adjustable for comfort. At the back of the microscope is a filter slider, which can hold polarized or other filters, or simply allow for full image view. Ensure for this lab that the filter slide is allowing for a full view of the specimen